In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads Customer Match. Customer Match lets you reach people you already have a relationship with by securely using your first-party data. It's great for re-engaging past buyers, nurturing leads, or excluding existing customers from prospecting campaigns, all while respecting user privacy. Start by opening Google Ads and signing into your account. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar and click the Tools and Settings icon. In the menu that opens, go to the Shared Library section and choose Audience Manager. This is where all your audience segments live, including remarketing lists and your customer match lists. Inside Audience Manager, click the big plus icon to create a new audience. From the options that appear, choose Customer List. This tells Google you're going to upload your own customer data so it can be matched to signed-in Google users. Next, pick Upload Manually. This is the most straightforward option if you have a CSV file from your CRM or email platform. Before you upload, double-check that your file is clean and properly formatted. Use one column per attribute such as email, phone number, first name, last name, country, and zip code. Avoid extra spaces, special characters, or merged cells. You can upload plain text and let Google hash the data for you, or upload pre-hashed SHA-256 data if that's your policy. Only include users who have given you permission to use their information for advertising, and make sure you're following Google's policies and local laws. Click Continue to move ahead. Now give your segment a clear, consistent name so your team knows exactly what it is later. A helpful pattern is audience type, source, and date, like purchasers, Q4, CRM import. Good naming saves time when you attach audiences to campaigns. You'll then select a customer type that best describes this list, such as existing customers or leads. This classification helps reporting and can inform how Google treats the audience across different campaign types. Choose the option that most accurately reflects your relationship with the people in the file. When everything looks correct, click Save and Continue. Google will validate the file and begin processing your list. Depending on size, matching can take a few hours to a day. You'll see a status update in Audience Manager, and once it's ready, you can apply the segment across search, YouTube, and other eligible campaigns. For best results, refresh your list regularly so it stays current, and monitor match rates to spot formatting issues. That's it. You've set up Customer Match the right way.